What were the worst punishments in ancient times?
Our
Hook.
history and the universe connecting human future.
Imagine stealing a loaf of bread and losing your hand. Imagine speaking against a powerful ruler and being sentenced to a painful death. Long before modern prisons, security cameras, or police forces, justice was often swift, brutal, and terrifying. Some punishments were meant not only to punish the guilty, but also to frighten everyone else into obedience. Today, we're traveling thousands of years into the past to discover some of the harshest punishments ever used in ancient civilizations. By the end of this video, you'll probably be thankful you live in the modern world. Let's begin. 1. Exile, a life of loneliness. One of the oldest punishments was exile. Instead of killing a person, a community would force them to leave forever. Imagine being separated from your family, your friends, your home, and everything you own. In ancient times, survival depended on living with other people. Being completely alone often meant starvation, disease, or becoming an easy target for wild animals. For many people, exile felt worse than death. 2. Public whipping. Many ancient societies punished crimes with public beatings. The accused person was tied to a wooden post while everyone gathered to watch. Each strike caused terrible pain. The scars often remained for life, but physical pain wasn't the only punishment. The public humiliation was just as devastating. The message was clear. If you break the law, this could happen to you. 3. Forced hard labor. Not everyone was sent to prison. Instead, many criminals were forced to perform exhausting labor. They carried enormous stones, dug canals, built roads, or worked under the scorching sun for endless hours. Food was limited. Rest was rare. Many never recovered from the harsh conditions. 4. Branding. Some offenders were permanently marked with hot iron. The burning metal left a scar that could never be removed. Everywhere they went, people could see that mark. It followed them for the rest of their lives. Even after completing their punishment, many were never fully accepted again. 5. Being chained in darkness. Some prisoners spent months or even years chained inside small, dark cells. Fresh air was almost non-existent. Sunlight never reached them. Time became impossible to measure. Many prisoners lost hope long before they regained their freedom. 6. Death by stoning. In some ancient societies, certain serious crimes were punished by stoning. The condemned person was taken outside the community, where a crowd carried out the sentence by throwing stones. It was intended to be both a punishment and a public warning. This was one of the harshest penalties known in parts of the ancient world. 7. Crucifixion. One of history's most severe forms of execution was crucifixion. Victims were fastened to wooden structures and left exposed for hours or even days. It caused extreme suffering and served as a public warning to others. Historians describe it as one of the cruelest execution methods ever practiced. Why were ancient punishments so harsh? Life in ancient times was very different. Governments had few ways to investigate crimes. There were no fingerprints, no surveillance cameras, no forensic laboratories. Many rulers believed that severe punishments would discourage others from committing crimes. Whether that worked is still debated by historians. Things have changed today. Many countries have courts, defense lawyers, rules of evidence, and legal systems designed to protect the rights of both victims and the accused. Although no justice system is perfect, many societies now recognize the importance of fair trials and proportionate punishment. This marks a major difference from many practices in the ancient world. Conclusion. Looking back at ancient history reminds us how much human societies have changed. Punishments that were once considered normal would now be rejected in many parts of the world. History isn't only about kings and battles. It's also about learning from the past so we can build a better future. Which ancient punishment shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into history, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to AJAH 101, and join us for more incredible animated stories from the ancient world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.
Our history and the universe connecting human future.